again. This is a continuation of the lesson of circles. Remember we discussed what a radius and a diameter were as part of the circles. So to refresh your memory, the radius is from the center of the circle to one end of the circle. So it would be like half of the circle. And the diameter would be the entire length from side to side, passing through the center point of the circle. Okay, remember, if it does not pass through the center, it is not a diameter. The diameter has to pass through the center. If it's only from side to side, that's just a chord, that's different. Okay, so the reason that we need to know about radius and diameter is because that's how you measure the length of a circle. Okay, so for a radius, that's telling you what half of the circle measures, because remember, it's only going from the center to one side. So for example, this circle here is only going from the center to the outside, so this is our radius. So for R stands for radius, it would be 6 inches, right? And then the diameter, we have to figure it out. How do we do that? Well, we look at what they're giving us. They're giving us the radius, which is half. So we know the other half would be the same, so another 6 inches. And when we add them together, we would get 12 inches. So the radius is 6, the diameter is 12, okay? Remember, keep in mind, the diameter is double the radius. So the radius times 2. And the radius is half of the diameter, so the diameter divided by 2. So let's look at the next one. This one they're giving us the diameter because it goes all the way through. So we know that the diameter is 20 inches. Now, one quick thing, it does not matter which direction the line is going, the line segment through the circle. It's the same thing. Because remember, a circle, all the points on the outside are equal distance to the center of the circle. So it measures the same. So if this entire thing is 20, and we need to find the radius, which would be half of that, we would have to divide it. 20 divided by 2, which would equal 10 inches. So the radius is half of the diameter, so 10. Over here, they're giving us a line segment from the center to the outside, only on one side. So that we know is a radius. And they're telling us that the radius is 12 inches. So with that information, they're asking us to find the diameter, we would double it. So we would do 12 times 2, 24. So the diameter is 24 inches. Okay, whenever they give you the radius, you double it to find the diameter. And if they give you the diameter, you divide it by 2 to find the radius, half of it. Okay, I hope this is helpful. You have today no pages in your workbook or your textbook, but you do have a worksheet to do to practice this concept. Okay, have a great day.